Welcome to the Nerd Cafe, and I trust that we're all going to have fun.
Well, the Nerd Cafe is part of an international collaboration that we have with Sweden. It started there at an event called the Nord Cafe, which is just Swedish for Nerd Cafe.
An event like this, just as a science centre, is an important platform for scientists to be able to speak to society and for society to hear scientists. There is a divide between science and society, and this is an important place to bridge that divide.
The reason why we hosted the event is because we are hosting a parallel event as the National Research Foundation, where we are holding a conference with postdoctoral students funded by the National Research Foundation in Stellenbosch.
Human papillomavirus is not like flu, that it kills you quickly. It takes a couple of years.
I would tell other postdocs to come and do this because it's fun. It's completely a different way of carrying over your knowledge to other people, and it's just fun and vibey. It doesn't feel as formal and stiff.
If people have an interest in science, they really enjoy events like this. It's very informative. So you learn a lot what these guys are actually doing and how and why. It's a great event. Definitely attend more of these, and I would recommend people go to them.
Proteins out. How many proteins are there, and how do you make that into a vaccine? Thanks.
Okay, so it would really depend what you're after. So we can make things that are called virus-like particles. Okay, this basically looks like a virus.
I particularly enjoyed the ability of the postdoctoral students to actually respond to the audience. So it shows that there's a good level of public engagement among our researchers.
The highlight is probably seeing the general public's interest in stuff that we work on. So it actually means, you can always justify your research in an academic field, but that the general public actually finds it interesting and will take home facts that will be helpful to them.
It is no use you have the postdocs that have all of the knowledge, but they are not able to convey it to the public and to the funders. If they want to carry on their research or take it into the next stage of trial, you need funding for that. One of the best ways to get funding is to get your message out there. If people know what you are about, they are a lot more inclined to come on board and support what you are doing.